Good morning, my friends. Have you got your cup of coffee? Are you drinking a cup of tea? Maybe you've transitioned over to your 8 glasses of water, which if you have, good for you. I have a really simple card for you today because even though my background looks kind of clean, I am surrounded by moving boxes. I am in the process of moving from Whidbey Island, Washington, back to Vancouver, Washington. And my craft room is a mess. I kind of look like a mess. When the camera came on, I went, ooh, I have some dark circles under my eyes. So if you are a creative who has trouble thriving in a mess, you might enjoy this video. If you are a creative who hates mess, loves mess, doesn't really care because she just loves being creative, then you're in the right place because I have a super easy card for you today that I think you'll like. It's easy, but I think has quite the impact. So I can't wait to share that with you. Okay, my friends, I am going to turn my camera over. Okay, so on today's card, we are using one of my favorite set of dies, the Everyday Arches dies, and I'm using the 2 smallest dies in this die set. I love how this card turned out. And then I'm using a set that I do not use enough. It's called Beautiful Motifs. I really do love this set. Now, this set, it comes as a bundle, and these are the dies that come in it. And I am not using these dies today, even though they're absolutely gorgeous. I'm only using the stamp set, and I'm using this little, I don't know, what would you call that? A fleur thingy? I love this one. I've used this one a lot. And I think I'm making a thank you card. I honestly cannot remember what I put on the, yes, I'm making a thank you card. Okay, so we're starting with a gatefold. Does that seem dark to you guys? Well, I'll fix it for next time if it's too dark. Okay, so I have got a 4 1/4 by 11 piece of early espresso. Oop, let's fix this. Okay, hold on, guys. I do not know why this is autofocusing. I can't keep my hand here. You won't be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, well, we'll just go with it today. I apologize. I'll stamp and then I'll unfocus. I'm actually just going to stamp on the very vanilla cardstock, the thank you for everything, crookedly. And then I am going to glue that. Oh, this is so frustrating. I don't know how I fixed it last time because we haven't had this problem in like forever. But I'll figure it out, guys. Thanks for your patience. I won't figure it out today, but I will definitely figure it out before Step It Up stamping. And then I am just going to glue this in the middle. This is scored at 2 1/8 inch on each side. And then I'm taking some of the absolutely gorgeous Designer Series paper. Isn't this pretty? I think it's called Autumn Toile. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you are watching this video for the first time, I'm not usually quite this disorganized, but moving will do that to you. Okay, and let me get this piece on. My family was like, just don't do a video today. There's no way you could be ready. And I said, there is no way I am not going live unless I'm dying or truly sick. I will make this work. Okay, so now we have the paper. Okay, so we got that done. This just opens like a gatefold, right? Okay, and then we've got the smallest arch die. Again, this is on very vanilla. And I'm going to use gray granite. And again, this is gray granite ink. Okay, there we go. Gray granite to the rescue. I just love these arch dies. I just think that they are so, so pretty. And then what I'm going to do is I did the next size up in the 𝗙𝗏𝗄, and I am just going to glue. You guys, I left unintentionally 3 of my boxes with my stuff did not get moved down. And one of them was my glue and all the stuff I use when I go live, which I kind of panicked when I realized that. And fortunately, I had enough extra because, as I said in my email yesterday, I found 4 different opened packages of tear and tape in, I think it was 3 or 4 different drawers. So can anybody else relate to that? That was like, oh, Barb, you need to get yourself together here, girl. Okay. So now what we're going to do is, and I got to make sure I do this the right way. This is the linen thread. And I wonder if I would give myself I kind of wanted to double it. I might be able to do that. Okay. So I'm just going to take this linen thread and I'm going to double it in half because I like how it looks when it's doubled up. I'm just taking some Scotch tape. Okay. It's not going to cooperate here real well. And I'm just going to tape that down. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And I just like to use Scotch tape. It's just easier, if I'm totally honest. Tear and tape, which was just the stuff that did not get moved, probably would have worked even better. Okay, there we go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put glue. There we go. I've been tearing down boxes and my hand is just like, ooh, girl. You need to get some, what is that stuff called? Heat and something when your hands hurt. Okay, so what I'm going to do, oh, I did not. Yes, I did. Okay. I did it the wrong way. Well, let's see. Okay. I don't think I can fix that unless I tear this apart. Let's see if I can do this. It should have gone in the other direction. No mistakes in stamping. Just opportunities to yell at yourself. Okay, let's try this. I can't believe I did that the wrong way. Okay. Oh, I have glue all over my fingers. This will be fun. Okay, because I want this to go down like this, and I'm just going to put it on here, and let's just hold that down because we want this. What I'm trying to do, guys, is I want us to be able to tie the card shut. Okay, let me tilt this over. No, it needs to come out this way. I was about to do it again the same way. Okay, so there we go. This is a brand new bottle of glue, so of course it's coming out really well. And let me go ahead and put this here. You want to kind of line them up with the edge of the paper. Okay, we would be in really, really good shape if I didn't have glue all over my fingers. So let's see how well I can tie this with glue on my fingers. There we go. Okay. Oh, you guys. I have trouble tying bows anyway, but when you've got glue on your fingers, it's especially fun. And there you go. I'm just going to leave it like that, even though I should fix my tail. But you know what? I'm not going to. And there you have our finished card. Pretend that my bow looks better than that. Okay, so I am going to turn my camera back over so I could see your comments. Let me do that. So there you go. My disorganized but got it done video today. Thank you, my friends, for joining me today. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. I'll be back on Sunday. Yes, I will, with a Step It Up stamping. And then I'll be back next week with another coffee and a card, and I'll get the camera fixed too. Okay, my friends, you have a great creative week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.